Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful turning border, excellent collection. Beautiful color combinations. Here we have an excellent peach color with pink mix. Beautiful color combination saree, completely handcrafted stuff with peacock buttas, small peacocks, very elegantly done one. You can see the clarity, excellent work done using gold jari. And we have a 12-inch big turning border, very beautiful border it is, rich collection. And we have a contrast pallu, sea blue with mild green tinge, which gives a beautiful look to the saree with very elegant mango design in the pallu. The pallu tassels are already made with plain pallu color blouse piece. Combination is really beautiful, pastel combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful turning collection, gold jari work, beautiful combination sarees, completely handcrafted work. An excellent peach, a pinkish peach color saree here with beautiful peacock design buttas. Very elegantly handcrafted one with a borderless concept at the top and a very beautiful gold jari turning border in the bottom. Rich border, very elegant combo. The contrast pallu, which also is a very beautiful color. Sea blue, mild green tinge blue color with beautiful design, completely mango pattern, weaved completely using gold jari again, and we have same color plain blouse piece. Combination is literally beautiful with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful turning design. Excellent concept sarees in a exclusive color combinations. Here we have an alluring combination, dark combo, brown saree, coffee brown in a dark version. Beautiful color with very elegant butta designs, and we also have a tissue border at the top. Gold zari used for the tissue with a thin border in pallu color, and the lower half we have a 10-inch border in pallu color with very elegant turning design weaving using gold zari. An excellent combination with the same olive green color pallu and completely beautiful gold zari work in the pallu also, rich pallu with plain blouse piece in pallu color. The combination is elegant with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful turning design border sarees, big rich border with elegant and contrast combination colors. Here we have a beautiful combo, a very different and elegant combo, pastel combo too. The pallu is light lavender color with very elegant small peacock design buttas and a thin border in pink. And we have a big 10-inch turning border that is also done using gold zari, very beautifully done. Here we have pink and lavender mixed color. The same border color is for the pallu also. Pastel pallu with beautiful mango design, and we have same pallu color blouse piece. The combination completely is a lavender combo, pastel shade with authentic silk. A completely hand woven saree. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful turning border, rich sarees here. Very big turning border, contrast pallu and blouse piece. Very elegant saree color here, a bottle green, dark shade bottle green color with very beautiful peacock design buttas, small peacocks, very elegantly done, completely handcrafted. We have a thin border at the top, and we have a turning design, big border at the bottom. Contrast color, magenta pink is mixed with black to get a beautiful dark color. That on the very beautiful and rich gold jari turning design border is done, and the same color, the border color is given for the pallu also. We have a beautiful mango design, trendy design in the pallu, gold jari used from the pallu also with the plain blouse piece. The combination is beautiful, both are in dark shades, excellent one with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful turning design sarees in a excellent big border collection. And we have an excellent color combination too. Dark Ananda blue color saree with body half buttas in small peacock design. Beautifully crafted design with a thin border in the pallu color at the top and a very big border at the bottom. It is also in pallu color, and the gold jari is weaved here. Turning border, beautiful and rich one. Combination is very different because the color of the pallu is dual tone. Blue mixed with pink to get an excellent tone here. And it's a 3D type pallu with gold jari work and same color, pallu color blouse piece. Differently colored saree here with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful turning design sarees. Elegantly it's done. Very beautiful hand woven. Excellent combination saree here. Mehendi green shade, mild green mixed with olive green mixed with yellow to get a beautiful shade it is. With the peacock design buttas and a thin border in pallu color. The lower half we have a big 10-inch border, completely done using turning weaving, and it is done using the gold zari. Complete saree is gold zari used one. Combination you can see, beautiful one. Same border, pallu as well as the blouse are in same color, and that is a wine color here. The weft is completely black and warp is pink, the magenta pink color. Combination is really very beautiful. Excellent saree for the festive season with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double arc. A very beautiful big turning border design. Very elegant and rich sarees here. Completely handcrafted. Beautiful collection with an excellent combo colors. Here we have a mehendi green color saree with a thin border on the top. We have very beautiful peacock design buttas all over. Gold zari completely used here. Very trendy, beautiful color. The combo for the color given is also green, bottle green, dark shade. Very elegant turning border on the green base. Gold zari used. Very pretty saree. Very rich too. Same bottle green is the pallu also. The pallu is a very elegant design here. A trendy, beautiful design. Gold zari used again. And we have plain blouse piece. Combination is beautiful. Completely green combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful turning border design. Excellent and rich sarees here. An elegant traditional combo. A beautiful bottle green saree here with the peacock design buttas. Small peacocks, very elegantly crafted. Completely handcrafted work saree with a thin border on the pallu color at the top and a very big border in pallu color at the bottom. It is a turning design border. You can see the gold zari work. The base color and the pallu color of the saree is dark violet, magenta pink mixed with black, and it is a dark violet color with very elegant 3D type mango design buttas in the pallu. We have same color blouse piece. Very elegant combination. It is a traditional combo, dark shade combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. The turning design, beautiful sarees, rich collection in a excellent combination colors. A peach with light pink shade, beautiful design. Buttas are also very elegantly crafted. Borderless concept on the top, completely handcrafted saree. You can see a very beautiful turning design, big border, a 12-inch border, done using gold zari. Very elegant design, rich collection, pastel shade saree, and we have a contrast pallu. Pallu is in sea green and blue mixed color, blue with mild green tint, and we have a very different mango design, excellently done in the pallu. Beautiful pallu here with pallu color blouse piece. Beautiful collection. The combination is very different and beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful big turning design border sarees with a thin border one side. Very elegant and alluring combination colors. Here we have a beautiful dual tone color, red mixed with pink, which gives a beautiful shade, a goldish red and pink mixed shade. Very elegant one with the peacock design buttas, small peacocks, very beautifully handmade saree with a thin border on the top and a big turning design border at the bottom. It's almost a 10-inch border and gold zari weaved, beautiful one. The border and the pallu are in same color and it is Rani pink here. Very beautiful mango design in the pallu as well. A grand one with plain blouse piece as in pallu color. The combination is very unique, beautiful combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful, rich collection here. Turning border, gold zari work, excellent sarees here. A mehendi green, light mehendi, beautiful color. You can see the buttas, peacock design buttas, gold zari weaved, small buttas, very elegantly crafted with a thin border with the pallu color on the top and a very beautiful big border on the bottom in pallu color. And it is a turning design border done using gold zari. You can see the richness, very elegant one with bottle green color pallu. The borders are also in bottle green with a mango pattern, very elegantly weaved design, a trendy design it is. Multiple mangoes for a bigger mango design, and we have plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made. Excellent green shade saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful turning design border sarees, a very big, beautiful lower border. 10-inch border it is on turning design, and we have a very beautiful and traditional combination here. The saree is a dark bottle green, beautiful color with thin border at the top and a very beautiful kanji type peacock work buttas all over the saree. And we have the 10-inch turning border at the bottom. The bottom border is in dark wine color, magenta pink and black mixed color. The whole saree, the bark is black is mixed, the back thread is, and we have the golden zari, beautiful turning design border. A rich collection for your upcoming festive season. And same pallu and border blouse, everything is in same color, that is in the dark wine color. Mango design borders in the pallu, a very elegant and traditional saree with authentic silk.